One day I walked down the upper campus where we were, and I counted every black student, and out of approximately 10,000 students, there were about 46 blacks, and 35 of them was athletes. There was a dean at that time, they call it now vice president, named George Demos. The admissions office reported to him. So I went and talked to him. I said, you know, this is ridiculous. We need more than, 10 or 11 students who aren't athletes up in this particular college. So he gave me some special admission slots. The state university or state college chancellor's office, again, Glenn Dumpke, found out what I was doing. And he said, it looks like we've got something here.
The vision that Dr. White has grown, and so it continues. And so with that vision, we are able to still work with that population. The purpose still remains. So we're still, going into 2017, we still need to assist African American students or low-income students with getting into college and knowing that access is very important, and also equity.
You know, one of the things that I've learned in my own experience, we're not all alike. We have different challenges and different backgrounds, and sometimes what people need is just an opportunity, a chance. And the Educational Opportunity Program here at Cal State Long Beach took a chance on me.
EOP gives everyone kind of a fair advantage. Coming in as a freshman especially, you kind of don't know anything about the California State University Long Beach. You really don't know anything towards how to really do college from straight out of high school. So it kind of just helps you out. Then the atmosphere at the building is just like, okay, I have support. And I feel like that's what people need the most, is support.
EOP is a necessary component because in spite of the fact that we're now almost 60 years away from Brown versus the Board of Education, it is just amazing how this country is still without the innate tools, without some special attention and some special assistance to provide equal opportunity for students.
EOP was important 50 years ago as we were making aggressive moves to be more inclusive, and even though our campus is far more diverse than it was 50 years ago, we still have many students entering with some of the same barriers. They're entering again with fabulous potential, so we just want to get those barriers out of their way so they can graduate and go on to great careers. EOP was early in understanding the difference between equality, not everybody needs the same size box to stand on, and equity. Let's meet the needs in a personalized way of every student who comes to us.
Being an EOP orientation student and EOP student, now I'm giving back. That influenced me that I have a responsibility, as we all do generationally, to give back to our communities.
I would love to see EOP in the next 50 years. Not only we do a lot of academic advising, we have a holistic approach where we just don't do academic advising, but we touch on social and personal issues that students may have. But we also want to make sure that we develop our students to be critical thinkers and also critical participants in society.